Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Microsoft Authenticator app if it's not working properly. First of all, make sure your internet connection is stable. Without Wi-Fi or mobile data, the app won't be able to sync codes. Then, check if your phone's date and time are set to automatic. For that, open the Settings app. Then, go into General. After that, scroll down a bit and tap on Date and Time. Here, make sure Set Automatically is toggled on. After that, clear the app's cache or restart your phone. On iPhone, you can do this by simply offloading the app. For that, go back to the General Settings menu and tap on iPhone Storage. After that, find Microsoft Authenticator in the list of apps. Then, choose Offload App. After that, tap on Reinstall App to refresh it. Next, try updating the Microsoft Authenticator app from the App Store or Google Play Store because older versions may cause issues. Now, if the issue still continues, remove the account from Microsoft Authenticator and re-add it using the QR code or setup key provided by Microsoft. And that's all. These steps should help fix the Microsoft Authenticator app not working issue. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more of these videos, and thank you for watching.